I just want to bring clarity to something. Jesus said that if it was possible, they would deceive the very elect, which shows us that it's not possible for his elect, those who are following him, his children, to be deceived. Then in John 10, Jesus says that my sheep know my voice, and a stranger they will not hear. So if you heard them, they're not a stranger. I say this because many have been confused or even felt deceived because they've heard or listened to leaders who have recently fallen into sin or done certain things. This does not make them a false prophet or a false teacher or anything like that. Remember, a stranger you will not hear. This makes them disobedient children. They are a part of the body of Christ, but walking in disobedience. And if they continue in that, they will become what Jesus calls a wicked servant, covering up the treasure that God put in them by all the dirt and the filth of their life. Then in the end, they will be a part of the children of the kingdom that are cast into outer darkness, as Jesus said.